Hey guys, Kevin Watson here. Just wanted to give you an update as to what you've already probably heard or seen on the news. The big news today is the Federal Reserve has raised their interest rates by 0.75%. That is the prime rate. And the Federal Reserve, sometimes people get that confused with mortgage rates. So mortgage rates are based on mortgage-backed securities, and those are publicly traded, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, institutions like that. So the Federal Reserve does have an effect on mortgage-backed securities. However, what happens is the Federal Reserve increases interest rates in order to slow inflation down, which they did today. And they base that on economic reports that come out. And the mortgage-backed securities in the mortgage industry reacts immediately to those reports, where the Federal Reserve collects those reports, and then they look at it, they talk about it, meet about it, and then they make a decision to raise interest rates to tame inflation. So what happens is we react way before the Federal Reserve does. So all the good news is that 0.75% that they raised today, we've already factored that into the interest rates. So the interest rates already have that factored in. You saw interest rates going up quite a bit in the last week. This was in anticipation of the Fed meeting that they thought they may even raise them up to a whole point, but they only raised it to 0.75. So actually, funny thing is, rates actually dropped down just a little bit this afternoon, probably a little bit better tomorrow. So just wanted to let you know how that works, and how it's a little different from mortgage rates are a little different from the Fed prime rate. They do affect it. So if the Fed continues to say we will increase rates in the future, that could mean that our interest rates will continue to rise in anticipation of the Fed raising their rates. So that's kind of how that would work. But we do go based off of economic reports that are happening today that are coming out based on what's going on with the economy. Hope that helps. If you have any questions or if you need anything, you can always get in touch with me. Be glad to help you in any way I can. Thanks.